a lot of people weren't using LinkedIn as like, it wasn't as consistent. I'm sure a lot of people had profiles and whatnot, but
Yeah.
at that point in time, it was not the sort of thing that you check every day.
Mm-hmm.
So it also had a really terrible hit rate.
Mm-hmm.
Um, I was just using cold emails. You learn to figure out how templates for emails are structured for different banks.
Which we have in the company database for anyone curious.
Yeah,
Yeah. We have all this. You don't have to do all the research.
yeah, love that.
Yeah.
Yeah, so like, just kind of using intuition and trying to dig up as many lists as possible. And the worst that can happen is somebody says doesn't respond, or is like unwilling to talk. I've had plenty of calls where like, I make a mistake, like not using, if I didn't use my full name, like one time somebody told me, like, I don't know which Paul this is. And then you learn, okay, like give them a little bit more context. So there are plenty of these kinds of conversations where you fumble in the dark a little bit and find your way. And then you actually start liking these conversations. And so
Mm-hmm.
I came basically right up to summer, just talking to as many people as I could. And I guess through the summer too, like tried to leverage the Merrill Lynch network, the Tuck network, and I staged it so that as I came back to campus, I essentially reached out to every single person that I had sort of built a relationship with.
Which was how many people? How many people do you think you reached out to? Like 500, 300?
Oh gosh.
Like during that sophomore year through the summer?
Yeah.
2,000, 3,000? How competitive were
Honestly,
you?
like the 95% confidence interval is super wide on that. I would say
Okay.
probably like I would guess like genuinely 5 to 750. Like I probably reached out to
500. Okay, so 500, 750 people. And this was, somewhat of a templated thing you'd put together like for certain people. What angles were you using in terms of like how you reached out to them? Were you saying like, hey, I noticed you went to a liberal arts college?